Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get instant face or glowing face in a week or instantly. That Korean girls also use this. Korean girls are secret beauty tips you can call these face masks. So let's start how to I make it. At first I take rice flour. Friends, this time I used boiled water to make rice flour boiled this type, not much thick and not a smoothie, just like it. Then I take yogurt. So friends, this is my ingredients. Now I show you how to make it. Take a bowl and add boiled rice flour, one spoon. Then I take yogurt, 1 spoon. This time, if you used this face mask full of your body, then you can add same quantity or add 3 or 2 spoons more yogurt and rice flour. Now mix it. Rice flour is a helps to get your skin suntans removed and also get a tightened instant glowing face and also remove your acne and pores. Yogurt is a helps to get a whitening and dark spots removed, high pigmentations problem also removed. So these two ingredients is so much effective to get your skin Korean girls like. Use this face mask in your hands, face, neck, legs, any kind of your body, and also you can use this face mask 3 or 2 times in a week. And for better result, you can use this face mask 4 times in a week. Use this face mask before going to your shower and get an instant glow. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.